Hello, word. Welcome back to the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is club. Club is an A1 level noun meaning a social or sports group. Think of it as a collection of people who share a common interest and get together regularly. So, club is simply a gathering of like-minded individuals. Let's break down the definition a little further. A club often involves membership, meaning people need to join to participate in its activities. These activities can range from discussing books in a book club to playing tennis at a tennis club. It's all about shared interests and a sense of community. Now, let's look at some synonyms for club. A useful synonym is group. For example, the hiking group went on an adventure this weekend. Another synonym is association. You might say the Historical Association is organizing a tour of the old town. And a third synonym could be society, as in the Gardening Society held its annual flower show. Notice how each of these words conveys a similar idea of people coming together for a shared purpose. Let's explore antonyms. It's a bit trickier to find direct antonyms for club, as it's a concept based on togetherness. But we can think about words that represent the opposite of collective activity. How about individual? Instead of belonging to a club, someone might prefer solitary activities. For instance, he prefers individual sports like running to team sports. Another contrasting concept would be isolation. To illustrate, she felt a sense of isolation after moving to a new city, missing the camaraderie of her old club. A third contrasting term could be loneliness. You could say, he battled loneliness before joining a book club and making new friends. The key takeaway is that antonyms emphasize the absence of the collective and shared experience that a club provides. Now, let's talk about how we use club in everyday life. You might hear someone say, I'm going to club tonight, which, depending on the context, could either mean attending a social gathering at a club, for example, a nightclub or bar, or it could mean attending a meeting or event of a particular club that they are a member of. You also might hear someone say, she's in the photography club, meaning she's a member of a club dedicated to photography. Furthermore, we often use club in compound nouns to specify the type of club. Think of a book club, chess club, sports club, or even a social club. In common expressions, you might say, he's part of the club, meaning he's popular and well-connected. Here are some more usage examples of club in sentences. The students formed a debate club to improve their public speaking skills. The Senior Citizens Club organizes monthly outings for its members. Joining the running club helped her achieve her fitness goals. The Science Club conducted experiments after school. The Art Club painted a mural in the community center. He is the president of the chess club. The drama club is performing Romeo and Juliet. Let's start a cooking club. She joined the photography club to learn new skills. The local gardening club holds a plant sale every spring. Remember, a club is fundamentally about shared interests and building connections with others. Whether it's a book club, a sports club, or a social club, it's a place where people come together to pursue their passions and form lasting friendships. In summary, club is an A1 level noun that refers to a group of people joined together by shared interests or activities. We explored synonyms like group, association, and society, and contrasted it with concepts like individual, isolation, and loneliness. We saw how club is used in everyday language, from describing membership in various clubs to expressing belonging and community. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the word club. If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Now, I have a little challenge for you. Can you create your own sentence using the word club? Share your sentence as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning!